Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change the keyboard theme on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, first of all just open the keyboard on your smartphone. Now from here just tap on the settings icon on your keyboard. Now just tap on theme. Now from here you can select from the solid colors, and also you can select any of these landscape images. From here you can select any of the light gradients, and also you have the option for dark gradients. I will select this one. Just tap on it to download. Now from here, if you disable this option, you will disable the borders of the keys on your keyboard. Just like that, as you can see in the preview. I will disable this option. Now from here, just tap on apply. Now once you have done that, just go back and open your keyboard. Now as you can see, we have successfully changed the theme of our keyboard. And this is how you can change the keyboard theme on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.